Welcome back to Your Business Tips. I'm Christina Albin, your host, and today we're going to be going over part 2 of Instagram stories and how to make your Instagram stand out and get more followers. All right, we are going to start off with one of my favorite apps. It's called Unfold. And the cool thing about this is it's free and you can choose to upgrade if you want more templates, but a lot of templates do come free with it. So I'm gonna hit the plus sign, CS1 and CS2. I do believe both of these templates come with it for free. They're pretty awesome. I do use quite a few of them. And then you pay, I think, $2 to upgrade to this, the FF1, which I do have to say I do use most just because it's extremely different and I don't see anyone out there on Instagram whose stories look like this using these. So this was a good find. Let's start with the Polaroid. That's pretty popular, and as you can see, we're gonna click the Polaroid that has the grayish white background, so that means I can have 2 pictures in one. We're gonna tap on that, and I'm gonna hit the plus sign. Let's go ahead and plug in one of my workout pictures. Perfect, so that's it. That's actually a video, so we're able to plug in both pictures and videos. We're gonna plug in that video, and for the background, I'm gonna show you how we can do something cool using Instagram. So let's hop over to Instagram. I'm going to hit my stories, snap a picture, hitting the pin, and remember in the last tutorial, I showed you how to change the background color. So I'm just holding down, just change the background color white, and let's go GIF shopping. Let's type in hustle. Ooh, this is perfect. The moving, that very first one. Awesome sauce. And let's do it again. We're going to stagger it. I'm using my fingers to make it a little bit bigger. Is that straight? Another one, let's put that other one down here. And I might even be able to squeeze one more towards the bottom. See how that looks. Pretty good. I'm going to save it. And now let's head back over to Unfold. And now we're gonna make this the background. Let's see what that looks like. That's perfect. It's really, really different. It's fun. All right, we are gonna save just the page. Okay. Now, let's go into another free app that I love. This one is called Inshot. We're gonna import it. First things first, we need to make this the size of Instagram stories. So you're gonna hit canvas. And then you're gonna hit 9 by 16, so it makes it skinny and tall. We can play it, make sure it looks right. It does, that looks great. Let's add some stickers to it. Now, I really love these stickers more than I love the ones on Instagram or Facebook because no one else has these. These are stickers that other people aren't going to see, so it is going to make your Instagram look different. So for this one, we can do whoa, because I got my booty so high. Shrink it, and we can see how long we want the sticker to play, which is also nice. You can't do that on Facebook or Instagram. The sticker is always there. So I only want it when I lift up. Let me see. Right there. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Whoa! And then goes away. Perfect. Let me walk you through some of the other stickers. So I'm hitting the plus sign to add more. And all of these just come with it. I think I had to watch a video to get the access to the stickers, but it was worth the 20-second video to have access to all of these. So I'll use the siren alert sometimes when I have a new post. I will use the pointy sign if I maybe did a screen recording and I'm pointing for them to click on the link in my bio or click on my Instagram story name so they can go to my page. I love the little pointy, so when the bombshells write something really awesome or I screenshot a post and I really want to point a specific thing out, I will use that little arrow and point where I want them to read or look. Breaking news I'll use if I'm having a new post. I might throw a few filters on there to kind of distort it, put breaking news, and then I will use Instagram and write texts telling them a little bit about what the post is. I love this recording just because I think it's different. You don't ever see it, so I'll take, whoop, made it really, really big. Behave, it's going crazy. Let's see. Come on. Okay. So I'll take the record and I'll normally like put it up in the corner of my post, of my workout video, just to make it look different, like, you know, instead of recording a video. And you can leave that through the whole thing if you want. Let's see what else we got. Featured. So I'll use featured if I feature someone else on my Instagram stories and I make sure to tag them. Like I'm huge into hair, so I'll tag other hair and inspirational, other business builders, stuff like that. So I will feature them on my Instagram and use that to tag them, which is also really different. And there you go, those are all the stickers. You can also change the speed. You can speed it up, make your video super fast, or slow it down, make it super slow. Just know that Instagram only likes 15-second videos, so you want to keep it around there. You can flip it, rotate it, change the background color, whatever you want. So we're gonna go ahead and export this and get it ready to upload in Instagram and do a few more tweaks in Instagram. Okay, so here we go. So remember, we want to use those top 3 things whenever possible. So my location. I'm going to reach more people if I have Los Angeles because I'm right next to Los Angeles anyways. Right up the road, so I'm going to throw Los Angeles. So now I'm going to show up in Los Angeles stories and I'll get featured on there as well, and that'll bump the people that are getting exposure to me. I'm gonna mention somebody, so I could mention the workout that I'm doing. I'm actually doing clean week, or I could mention my sneakers because my sneakers are Adidas. There's clean week. And so now, when someone searches clean week or whatever it is I decide to tag, I'm gonna pop up in Clean Week's newsfeed and also going to pop up on their stories. So more people are going to see me. And now I'm going to hashtags. So on my hashtags, I like to be more specific. So I can put like hashtag hustle or hashtag workout or girls who lift, but I want to be more specific because if you just do something really general, you're gonna get buried. You're gonna get buried within a matter of minutes. So you want to do something that's a little bit more niche. So let's do girls who hustle or girls who lift. That is going to get me in front of a lot more people than if I were to just put hashtag hustle. So now there's 3 different places that my story is going to show up. And let's go in with the pen, jazz this up a little bit. So I always, I'm using the fine pen. I made sure that I'm making it as small as possible. If you have a little stylus pen, that would be perfect. I lost mine, I'm so mad. So my little XOXO, and then I'm going in with my bombshell pink. That's my signature color, and just going over it. Perfect. Done. Done, done, done. Okay, and then this would be ready to upload. I could go ahead and upload that. But we are not, so I'm gonna exit, and let me show you part 2.